You are saying, Razi, if a person believes is the key word here. If a person who is claiming to be a Muslim, and this person believes that Nabi Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol, number one, and number two, used to be with the prostitutes in an inappropriate way, believes in this, you are saying that you cannot say that this person is a kafir. It means you are saying that this person is still a Muslim.
I make an oath, anyone who believes this, that Isa alayhi was a drunkard and had illicit relationship with prostitutes, he is not a Muslim.
I said something 3 times, same exact something, okay? Yeah. And you said no, you won't give fatwa, and then all in a sudden, you said that now you want to give fatwa. Why? The reason is this.
I changed my view, brother.
Right now?
Yes, right now.
5 minutes ago, you said that if somebody believes that the Prophet Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol and used to be with the prostitute in an inappropriate way, I cannot put fatwa on this person. Why? You said that because then the fatwa will go on the other people as well who have said the worst things about the Prophet. This was your first position. Now after a few minutes, you took a second position. You said, okay, I give the fatwa now that what I said, that if a person claims to be a Muslim and believes in these two things, this person is a kafir. You said that before Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, on the basis of this usuli thing, there was no fatwa of kufr. But after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, on the basis of this usuli thing, there's a fatwa of kufr. You have invented a new belief, a new usul fi deen after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. Are you saying Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was a Shari Nabi? You said something which does not make any sense, Razi. You are saying...
I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Razi, you have changed your belief within 10 minutes, right? Right? Right or wrong?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, if it is proven,
won't be, yes, then I wouldn't be an Ahmadi Muslim.
No. Then you will believe that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was a disbeliever, right?
I will leave Islam Ahmadiyya, brother. What are you talking about?
Good. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. I can prove this with conclusive evidence. This was the belief of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. He believes that Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol and Isa alayhi salam used to be with a prostitute in an inappropriate way. Ameen ya Rabb. Ameen ya Rab. Till Yawmul Qiyamah.
Yeah, okay. I swear by Allah that Hazrat Ahmad Alaikum's works show that Hazrat Isa Alaikum was not a drunkard, and I would never change my view on this because I have so many explicit evidences in which he denies it clear cut. Both of these things. So I would never leave Islam Ahmadiyya. Alhamdulillah. I will stay Ahmadi Muslim because of these evidences. That's why
earlier you clearly said, you said that if it is proven, you will leave Islam Ahmadiyya.
Yes, I did. And
I have the right to ask you at least one question. Okay, is it okay?
Brother, then it's just gonna get longer and longer.
Just give me the answer. As you said to me, 30 seconds.
What's the topic?
Topic is our religion.
Okay, yeah, what's your question?
Okay, my question is, my claim is that, and I will say under oath, because you asked me today to say things under oath, I will say this under oath as well. I swear by Allah that this was the belief of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, that Isa alayhi salam was with the prostitutes in an inappropriate way, number one, and number two, the Prophet Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol. These two things are, I'm saying under oath, these are the two beliefs of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. Now, I would ask you a simple question. If it is proven that these two are the beliefs of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, if it is proven, would he still be a Muslim?
Okay, Jazakumullah. I'm going to take 1 minute and answer it. Okay, I swear by Allah, and Allah is my witness, that Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Alaikum did not believe that Hazrat Isa Alaikum had illicit relationships with women or was a drunkard. Wallahi, and I have references from his books where he clearly denies both things. So Hazrat Ahmad Alaikum did not believe this at all. Okay, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Alaikum is a Nabi. He is the true Messiah and Imam Mahdi. If he had said these words, he wouldn't have been a Nabi. If he had said these words himself and believed in this and it wasn't Ilzami Jawab, Allah wouldn't have given him this success. Allah would have destroyed him. Allah would not have fulfilled every single prophecy of his. So Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad did not believe this. I say it on oath as well. I'm not doing a mubahala with you. I am
that's fine.
Muslim. Some people might misinterpret. Wait, Imtiaz, I don't do mubahalas, okay? I'm a weak Muslim. I have no authority to do it.
So
right?
why?
I believe Mubahala's only authority is the Anbiya, or those that Allah has informed that they are allowed to, or through the permission of the Imam of the time. That's my belief of the
Okay, that's
Quran.
fine.
Okay,
That's
so I
fine.
don't do Mubahalas. Let's end it here, brother. We've
I
spoken
am ending.
enough,
Now I said I made a statement under oath.
and I
Okay.
did too. Done.
I'm saying that. I'm saying that. And you are making a statement under oath.
Yeah.
Okay. And it makes sense because for you at this point of time, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is your prophet. You have to take the oath. I can understand that. Now, what can decide that who is actually having the evidence to back up his claim? What can decide that?
His own work.
Okay, no problem. If I prove from his own work what I have said under oath, so what?
What if I prove what I said on oath?
Okay, that's good point. Very good point. Now, obviously, people would like to see this one that I am making a claim and such a strong claim with conviction under oath.
Yeah.
Okay, and you are making a counter claim, and we are both agreeing that it can only be judged or decided from his right when you are ready to discuss this point from his writing. You know why I'm saying this? Listen, the reason I'm saying this, we both agree. You will not deny this, inshallah, that if it is proven, not Mirza side, leave on the side, if it is proven that a person who call himself a Muslim, but if it can be proven that this person believes that the prophet, that any prophet of Allah, like in this case Isa alayhi salam, was drinking alcohol and being with the prostitute, we both agree this person is not a Muslim anymore, right?
Okay, let me tell you why I can't say that.
No, no,
Okay?
but this Muslim is.
Listen to my point, brother. I let you speak. Hear my point.
Thank
Okay?
you.
So I cannot say this for this reason, because I have references in front of me, and you have to tell me if such a person can be a Muslim or not. Okay? Do you know Hazrat Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Delvira? You know him very well.
We
He
have
has,
agreed on one principle, Razi.
brother,
We are discussing.
I'm not quoting Mujaddideen. Just listen to my point, please, brother. The
Yeah.
point I'm saying is I cannot and I will not say that such person is a disbeliever. The reason is because I have Shah Waliullah Sahib's books in front of me. It's just in this chat somewhere. Let me open it. Where he says basically, you know, the story of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam falling in love, and Hazrat Daud alayhi salam falling in love with women and then killing their husbands. He has in one of his in his book Tawil Mukhtalif Hadith, he has said those things. So I cannot put fatwa, because then I would be putting a fatwa on them first as well. And the ulama have made mistakes on this, and these were ma'mur as mujaddideen according to his scholars. So I don't say anyone who said this is a
Not
disbeliever,
said
because
this, believed.
yeah, anyone who believed this, I cannot say they're displeased, because Shah Walillah Muhaddis Delvi said, I told you what he has written. So now, before you speak, I ask you a question. Someone who says that Nabi Sallam saw Hazrat Zainab radiallahu anha, Naudu Billah, and fell in love. And someone who says Dawud alayhi salam fell in love and Sulaiman alayhi salam fell in love by looking at women, is that person a Muslim or a kafir?
Okay. Now, first, the point we're discussing already, I want to complete that one first. Okay.
No, just
So
answer this too.
I will answer, no problem. I promise I will answer. Okay. You are saying, Razi, if a person believes is the key word here. If a person believes that, okay, if a person who is claiming to be a Muslim,
Yeah.
and this person believes that Nabi Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol, number one, and number two, used to be with the prostitutes in an inappropriate way, believes in this, you are saying that you cannot say that this person is a kafir. It means you are saying that this person is still a Muslim.
Okay, so let me clarify. I
Please
asked
do
you
that.
a question. A person who says and believes that Nabi Sallam saw Hazrat Zainab radiallahu anha and fell in love. A person who says and believes that satanic wahi came to Nabi Sallam. A person who says and believes that Hazrat Daud and Sulaiman fell in love with women. A person who says and believes all this, can he still be a Muslim? Yes or no?
Good question. Good question. Now answer my question, what I said to you before.
You answer mine, I'll answer yours.
But Razi, I asked you the question first, so it's only fair. You reply to that.
Okay, so the reason I asked you this important question, I'll give you the background now. I cannot give such a fatwa because ulama have made such mistakes and they believe that if I say it's kufr, they're all gone. Ibn Taymiyyah rahmullah, right? He has written certain things as well. I cannot say because he made blunders about some things he's a kafir. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, based on my study, I have explicit references where he denied all of it. So that's my answer to you. I'm not going to put a fatwa because then I'll go to hell myself for putting a fatwa on Shah Waliullah Sahib. I can't do that. He
Okay.
was a wali, has a Masima,
Okay.
praised him. Who am I to call him a kafir?
Good point. Let me respond now. Razi,
This is your
I'm
last
asking.
turn. Last
Razi,
turn.
Razi, but you need to answer my question at least.
Yeah.
Listen the question. I'm asking you a specific question, very specific question. That if a person who's claiming to be a Muslim and yet believes that Prophet Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol, number one, and number two, used to be with the prostitutes in an inappropriate way. If a person believes in these two things, this person is a kafir. That's my clear statement. Wait now, let me complete. Now, I want you to tell me about this clear statement I have made in front of you about these two things, that a Muslim claiming to be a Muslim and saying these two.
Will you give my answer after that? That I asked you or no?
I will. I will.
Promise?
Promise.
What's my question?
Razi, I promise I will answer your question.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
I'll answer now. Okay, look, Imtiaz Sahib, I have studied the books of Hazrat Ahmad Ali. Okay, I have explicit references from him that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam did not have any illicit relationships with any prostitutes, nor was he a drunkard. Okay, I make an oath, anyone who believes this, that Isa alayhi salam was a drunkard and had illicit relationship with prostitutes, he is not a Muslim.
Okay, now I want to understand. Previously, you said that you cannot say this. Now you are saying why?
The reason I'm saying it now is
Yes.
because I am going with the view that these ulama who made mistakes before Hazrat Ahmad alayhi salam, they're forgiven. Because
Sorry, I did not get your point.
these ulama like Shah Walillah Muhaddis Delvi and others, they are forgiven because they made these errors before Hakam and Adal. So Allah will
So
forgive them.
okay, so just to understand your position, are you saying that Shah Waliullah, for example, one example, Shah Waliullah believes that the Prophet of Allah, Isa alayhi salam, used to drink alcohol and he
Brother, I
used to.
never said that.
Then why are you equating these two
I
things?
said, now listen, this shows you're not listening. I'll repeat. Anyone who believes Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was a drunkard and had illicit relationships with prostitutes, he is not a Muslim. Number one. Number two, I quoted Shah Waliullah said because he has written things about Bilqis and, for example, Dawud alayhi salam once saw a beautiful woman and fell in love. I'm saying for these things, I am now saying that they are forgiven because they were before Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam. The reason I didn't give a fatwa is because in my mind, what I said is if someone believes about this drunkard thing, I haven't read all their books that Isa alayhi salam did drink, then I cannot put a generic fatwa on them because these people said worse things. Do you understand it? Should I repeat?
I am understanding, Razi, but
Yeah.
look, I said to you that whatever you asking me other things about those texts, okay, I will answer that. I have
So
promised
I
already.
answered you. I put the fatwa.
No, no, no. But my, I want to understand. Before you said at least three times
Yeah.
because my point was exactly the same every time.
I agree. I
You
agree. I'll explain why I changed my view.
let me repeat first. Okay, then you respond, please. I said something three times, same exact something.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said no, you won't give fatwa. You won't give you, and then all in a sudden
Yeah.
you said that now you want to give fatwa.
Yeah.
Why?
The reason is because I remembered the statement of Hazrat Ahmad in Haqiqatul Wahy that the ulama before him have made mistakes in ta'wil of Nuzul Masih and they are forgiven. So my ijtihad, right, that I just made right now based on my understanding of that statement is any alim like Ibn Arabi Rahmullah and all of the ulama, their mistakes on Wahdatul Wujud, they're all forgiven. And Hazrat Ahmad said this. He said this in Malfuzat that Bayezid Bustami Rahmullah and other statements, they're forgiven. We leave it to Allah. So the reason I changed my view is these statements of Shah Waliullah and stuff. The reason I didn't originally give the fatwa is because if there's a fatwa on alcohol, these are worse things. I have given the fatwa now. So the topic is done, brother.
The
Now
topic is
give
not
your
done, Razi. No,
fatwa.
the topic is not done, Razi. The reason is this, Razi. Look. The reason
I
is this.
changed my view, brother.
Right now,
Yes, right now, about these statements of Shah Waliullah, etc.
no. You change your view about someone who says that a prophet, no, who believes that a
No, I
prophet of
didn't
Allah.
change my view about that, brother. Let me explain again. I did not originally give the fatwa because these ulama said worse things. So if the fatwa is on these people, then these people are also kuffar. Do
But
you
now you gave the
understand?
fatwa already.
I said they're forgiven because they're before Masih Maud. So the
Who gave you?
fatwa,
Razi, wait. Now,
yeah.
now you have in a big problem now. Now you are speaking on the behalf of Allah.
No, I never spoke on behalf
Okay,
of
wait.
Allah.
Let me
How
explain.
come others said this? I
Let me
believe
wait,
what the Masih Maud said.
wait. 5 minutes ago,
Yeah,
5 minutes ago, you said that if somebody believes that the Prophet Isa alayhis salam used to drink alcohol and used to be with the prostitute in an inappropriate way, I cannot put fatwa on this person.
yeah,
Why? You said that because then the fatwa will go on the other people as well who have said the worst things about the Prophet. This was your first
yeah,
position.
yeah,
Now,
yeah.
after a few minutes, you took a second position. You said, okay, I give the fatwa now that what I said, that if a person claims to be a Muslim and believes in these two things, this person is a kafir.
I never
Right?
said
Now,
that. I never said that. I said after Masih Maud. This
sorry?
shows you're not listening. I said after Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has come, after him, anyone who holds these beliefs, they're doing kufr.
But what does that it mean? Are you saying that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has brought some new Sharia because
No,
earlier on, wait,
no, he
earlier on,
corrected the mistakes of the
let me, no,
ulama.
let me, it's not a mistake, it's not a
It is
mistake.
so. This is true. What Shah Waliullah
I
said.
explained, let me complete, Razi. So you took first position, which was a principle. That was not like a furui masala. The principle was if a person has this kind of blasphemous views about a prophet of Allah, this is a usuli thing. Okay. You said that before Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, on the basis of this usuli thing, there was no fatwa of kufr. But after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, on the basis of this usuli thing, there's a fatwa of kufr. You have invented a new belief, a new usul fi deen after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. Are you saying Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was a Shari Nabi?
No, I didn't say any new usul, brother. Had itmam hujjat ke baad hi lag. Once
English,
the
please.
itmam one I am translating.
Yeah.
Once itmam hujjat is given, only then you are. If someone holds a view about something, they're not fully acquainted with the knowledge. The ulama agree there's no takfir on him. For
Okay, let me
example,
tell you.
let me
You
finish, brother. Let me
okay?
finish. Look, whenever I speak, you cut off, and this is your last minute because I gave the fatwa. You have to give yours still, and you
I gave
haven't.
already. I gave already.
No, about these people who said these
I will
things.
give a that one.
Okay,
Yes,
done.
inshallah.
You explain it.
No,
Give the
no,
fatwa.
Razi, you have not justified your position. You know what you said just now? Just now you are saying that, you said something which does not make any sense, Razi. You are
Okay,
saying,
I'm wrong. I'm
no,
wrong.
no, wait,
Now give me my
not yet.
answer, brother. You're just
Razi, wait.
here
You are changing your,
going
Razi, wait.
on. People are waiting, brother.
People want to learn this thing as well, inshallah. I know
They
that.
have learned. Alhamdulillah.
Razi, you have changed your belief within 10 minutes, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah,
Right or wrong?
yeah, I have.
Okay, so your first belief was that if a Muslim believes that a prophet of Allah drinks
Actually,
alcohol,
1 second, 1 second. I didn't change my belief. Let me tell you why.
you said you did.
I know, but let me explain my point. The reason I didn't
Razi, let
change,
me
let
complete my
me
point first.
finish, brother. Let me explain my view so you
I was
understand.
talking. I was
Yes,
talking.
but you said something wrong. If you look at my statements carefully, I have always said that I will not put the fatwa because early ulama have said word. Now I'm saying those who come after the Messiah, the fatwa is on them. So the fatwa I gave, not fatwa I gave, but my view I gave is the same. Those who believe after the Itmam Hujjat, only they're disbelievers. This is my view. So the view is essentially the same. Nothing is changed.
No, you have completely again changed everything. So far you have took multiple positions. Okay, first of all, you made a statement. You said that you will not give fatwa. You said this three times, and then you said I will give fatwa. After that, you said that yes, I agree that I changed my belief 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And now just you said 2 minutes ago, no, I did not change my belief. Now, last thing is, Mr. Razi, these are the things for which no itmamul hujjah is required. Listen very carefully. A person saying and believing that the Prophet of Allah has has inappropriate
So why
relationship.
does Kashful Mahjoob say Nabi Sallam fell in love when he saw Zainab radiallahu anha?
Let me
Was
complete, Razi.
Itmam Hujjat
You're
needed for
interrupting.
that?
Razi, you're
Because
interrupting
brother,
me.
you're
Razi,
taking too long. We don't need
not
a
too long.
speech,
Razi,
brother.
it's very important, because it's very important that so far you have taken
I
three
want to
beliefs so
take
far.
the other guests as well. They've been
You
waiting.
can
Our
take, you
debate
can
is
take,
done.
but so far, Razi,
You're adding masala to a
no
debate that's
masala here, Razi.
finished.
Razi, okay, Razi, did you not say that you change your belief?
I changed the statement, but the fatwa is the same.
Okay, now let me. If a
How
person
much
say,
minutes do you need? How much time?
as long as we are talking,
We're done talking.
what? Look, you still need my answer, right?
How long do you need to give me the answer?
Until I know that what your position is, because so far, Razi, you are jumping
Okay,
from
let's
tree
do
to
this
tree.
another day. Let's do this another day.
Okay, so far, let me conclude. Let me see
Okay,
what you actually said.
conclude in 1 minute. I'm giving you 1 minute.
2 minutes, at least 2 minutes.
Okay, two
Okay,
minutes and then done. I
okay.
apologize to all of you.
Yeah. Now, your first belief was, which you agreed, that you cannot put a fatwa of kufr on a Muslim who believes that the Prophet of Allah, Isa alayhi salam, used to drink alcohol and used to be with the prostitute. You said, I cannot give fatwa. You said this 3 times.
Before
Then
the
you gave a
Messiah.
then you gave a fatwa and you said that, Imtiaz, I have changed my belief. I have changed my belief. And now I give the fatwa that yes, if a person claimed to be a Muslim and says this, and sorry, claimed to Muslim and believes this, that Isa used to drink alcohol and the prostitute thing, then this person is a kafir. After that, you went on to the third thing. You said, no, 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 no. Now my belief is that if this belief was, or this belief of the person was before Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, then he is not a kafir. If this belief is after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, then this is a kafir. The reason is too problematic here is, Dazi. It means that after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, the usul of our deen have changed.
Oh, can I answer now? You
No answer.
misquoted my
I
fatwa
did
as
not
well. You
misquote anything.
misquoted my fatwa as well. Okay. I did not say drink alcohol. I said alcoholic. There's a big difference.
What is the
Okay.
difference?
There's
What
a
is the
big
difference?
difference. There's a big
Explain.
difference. Because
Explain.
someone, hear me, listen, don't cut
Yeah.
me off. This is
Yeah.
my last statement on, okay? So, firstly, you misquoted the thing I said. In Adnan Rashid debate, I said the same thing. I said that I cannot give the fatwa because of the pious ulama before as a Muslim out. I don't believe the ones after are pious. The fatwa is the same. For example, if someone drinks alcohol for medicine, he is not a kafir, okay? He does not become a disbeliever if he uses it for medicine. If someone is an alcoholic, he becomes kafir. Anyone who believes Isa alayhi salam was an alcoholic, he is a disbeliever. If some ulama said that Isa alayhi salam turned water into wine, or they said that Isa alayhi salam, out of the Sharia allowed it at that time, so maybe once he drank. I didn't put fatwa on them because I have not researched the views of all the ulama. But Hazrat Ahmad alayhi salam's view, I gave it to you, and I stand by that. That anyone who says Isa alayhi salam was a drunkard and illicit relationships with prostitutes, such a person is a disbeliever. I'm done on this. I gave you your 2 time. Let's end on this.
I will end. Now, Sir Razi, you have opened another doubtful door for the listeners. Now you're saying, now you are giving a hint that you are only going with the okay, if he was drunkard, if he was like abusively all the way habitually, drink
Yeah.
alcohol, then the fatwa will be if he was every now and then, but not habitual, right?
No, I never said that.
Then what did you say actually, Fir?
I said, look, I'll repeat again. I said my research on other ulama viewpoint about
About
this.
Mirza Ghulam Qadiani,
About
please.
Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, I swear by Allah, he never believed Isa alayhi salam was
No,
a
no, no, no.
drunkard.
My question was that if it is proven, if
It
it is
won't be. Yes. Then I wouldn't be an Ahmadi Muslim.
no, no, no. You will believe that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was a disbeliever,
I
right?
will leave Islam Ahmadiyya, brother. What are you
Okay,
talking
okay,
about?
good. Now, when you want to debate this one,
This topic,
yes, this is
we can
important because
decide.
this is
We
because
can.
this is that one topic, Razi. This is
Yeah.
that one topic which, as you said, can be decisive. So when you want to debate,
Okay. So this topic, if you want to debate it with me, first you will have to debate a guide with. That's my usul.
Razi, you said that if
Let's
this thing
discuss
is
the conditions offline, okay?
no, 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 Razi. At least
Brother,
you
we've spoke enough.
no.
I
Do you
accept your
want to,
debate challenge.
Razi? Razi, right now, we are pretty much in the end of our conversation. You know that, and everybody knows that. Razi, on this one thing, you said that if this thing is proven, you will leave Islam Ahmadiyya.
Yes,
How
but
decisive is that?
yes,
Wait,
but
wait.
no,
That
wait,
is
wait,
why,
1 second.
Razi, wait.
I've already
That is why
read.
I'm asking
No,
you.
brother, I've already read the works of Hazrat Ahmad alayhi salam in detail, and I swear
Same
by
do I.
Allah that his listen. Let me finish. I swear by Allah that Hazrat Ahmad alayhi salam's works show that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was not a drunkard, and I would never change my view on this because I have so many explicit evidences in which he denies it clear cut. Both of these things. So I would never leave Islam Ahmadiyya. Alhamdulillah. I will stay Ahmadi Muslim because of these evidences. That's
If it
why
is,
I accepted
Razi,
Hazrat Ahmad. If it's
Razi,
proven
earlier
to
you
you
said,
if
Razi,
it's proven to you that Hazrat
Razi,
Mirza Ghulam Ahmad
Razi, Razi, wait, Razi,
didn't
wait.
believe it, will you become
Razi,
Ahmadi?
Razi, for a second, please. Earlier, you clearly said, you said that if it is proven, you will leave Islam
Yes,
Ahmadiyya.
I did. And I'm
Wait,
saying
allow
you
me to
can't
finish.
prove it because I have
That's good.
enough
That's good.
evidences
That's
that
good.
he
That's good.
didn't believe
That's
it.
good. That's good. Guess what? Guess what? La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. I can prove this with conclusive evidence. This was the belief of Mirza Ghulam
And
Qadiani.
I can say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah in front of me. I have many references that he didn't believe it.
Let's debate then. Let's
Okay,
debate
let's
then.
do this. Look, I'll make a video, right?
Now, debate.
Okay, let's debate it. But then when are we debating Aqaid? We have to debate Aqaid.
As soon as we finish this debate, I promise to you, whichever Aqidah you want to debate, I'm ready.
Let's do the Aqaid first.
No. This one first.
Why?
Blasphemy is
What's
first.
the reason?
Very simple, very simple. Because if this thing is proven, we don't need to debate that was Mirza Messiah or not, was Mirza,
We
because
do,
this,
we do. Because
wait.
I'm not going to change my view on this
No,
because of the
wait.
evidence I
Razi,
have.
wait. Razi, allow me to finish, please. Because if it is proven, and we have both agreed that this will prove Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is a disbeliever
Okay,
and
I
a
accept
disbeliever.
your debate. I accept.
When?
But if I prove to you from his writings that he didn't believe it, you have to accept Islam Ahmad.
I will publicly apologize to
No, no,
all.
no, 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 no.
No,
You
wait,
have to accept
wait.
Islam Ahmadiyya.
Habibi, wait.
You have
Let
to
me finish.
accept Islam Ahmadiyya.
Let me finish. Let's be fair with each other. Let me
Yeah.
finish, please. Okay, look at this one. We are not rejecting Mirza Ghulam Qadiani because of this blasphemy he committed. Listen very carefully. We are rejecting Mirza Ghulam Qadiani for primarily two reasons. Number one, he was not Isa ibn Maryam. Number one.
Let's
Number
debate
two,
that then.
brother, wait. Number one. And number two, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was not a prophet because he never received the revelation of prophethood, Wahyun Nabuwa, conclusively from beginning till end. He said,
Okay,
I don't receive
okay,
Wahyun Nabuwa.
okay.
Wait. Now, this is the reason, Razi, that we are getting somewhere now.
I don't
So
debate
now,
Furui Masail unless Aqaid are done first.
so when is the debate on blasphemy of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani? You want to do that?
This topic,
Yes,
I will have two conditions with if you want this. Number one is you have to debate me on death of Isa alayhi salam from the Quran and a Hadith.
I
Okay.
will.
Number two, if I prove to you that he didn't drink, right? Isa alayhi salam wasn't a drunkard, and I prove to you from the books of Hazrat Ahmad alayhi salam that there were no illicit relationships with prostitutes, you have to accept Islam. These are my conditions.
Can I speak now?
Yeah. Last
Razi,
minute Imtiaz said, last
no
minute.
worries. Razi, I have given you a very principled answer. I have told you that the reason we reject Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is fundamentally, number one, he was not a prophet. Number two, he was not Isa ibn Maryam. These are the fundamental reasons. On the top of that, he committed blasphemy as well. And
No,
the
he
example
didn't.
is,
No, he didn't.
let me complete. And the example is this alcohol and prostitute thing. Now, when we both agreeing to take this thing as a criterion, because if it is proven that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and I am saying repeatedly, the evidence is conclusive that Mirza
And my
Ghulam
evidence is
Qadiani,
conclusive as
that's
well.
fine. That Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's belief was in these two things. Now, when you're debating this,
So I gave you my conditions. Do you accept them or no?
death of Isa, I accepted, number one. Okay. I accepted already, number one. The way you want to debate, accepted, alhamdulillah, no problem at all. Second thing you said that you have to believe in Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. I gave a simple answer. It will only prove that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani did not commit blasphemy, because
Okay,
you need to see.
if I accept the debate challenge, what will you do for Islam Ahmed?
What do you mean?
Will you delete your channel?
Razi, come on.
You
What
said
you
this
saying?
before. You said this before, no?
Okay, wait. Let's complete this topic which we're discussing right now. When
Brother,
you
it's
debating?
done. Let's tweet
No,
to
when
me.
you debating?
Okay, I'm traveling soon. Okay, I'm
Okay.
gonna be traveling. Let's
Yeah.
do it in June, inshallah. But we will have a session with conditions first.
Conditions, everything. Debate has been agreed, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Debate will
Conditions.
happen.
We will do the conditions first, though, like you did with Doctor
Razi,
Side.
you and me are not the first people on the planet to do some debate. Okay,
Yes, we will
debates are
have
happening.
conditions. We will have
Wait, wait.
conditions.
Listen, Razi. Debates are happening before both of us as
Of
well.
course.
All of those rules of debating will apply to both of
Yes,
us.
but we will have a
Is it?
session of the rules first.
But debate will happen
Yes, inshallah. As
regardless of we
long
agree
as
on
we
principles.
agree on the shurut,
Sorry. Wait.
as long as we agree on the principles of discussion, the debate will happen.
I
I'm
would say,
ready.
Razi, I would say, Razi, this debate must happen either we agree on some of the conditions or not. Why?
That
Listen,
will
why?
happen
Listen, why?
when we discuss
Listen,
it.
listen, why? Listen, why? So the people who are watching, they will see that who is debating according to the principles of debate and who is not doing as
Yeah.
per the
So
principle. Let people decide.
we have to have sharait. One who debates without sharait is a fool in mind. You need
Sharait
to have,
or look, Razi, are we going to invent something about the
no,
debate?
but
Debate's
there are
happening already.
certain sharait you never follow, so we have to put them on paper.
Razi,
Yeah.
it's very
But it's
simple
done.
issue.
The discussion is done. Debate will happen in June, inshallah. Let's set a time and we will have this sharait,
Let me
inshallah.
say it again. Debate will happen regardless of our
No, I
agreement or
don't
disagreement.
agree. I don't agree.
Nazi, now look, now you're gonna go and think and sit with your gang to write something in the shurut.
Every debate has it. If you say you want, listen, if you say you want to debate me, every time I speak, you cut me off, or you start mocking Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Saib, or you don't say Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Saib, I won't accept your debate.
Okay, I will say Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Saib. I will not cut you off. What else?
There's a few other conditions we will discuss. For example,
Tell me.
in each
Let me agree
turn,
with.
yeah, for
Sorry.
example, in each turn, we will have them all written out. I haven't memorized them. For example, in each turn, you will only present one reference alone. That's another debate criteria. For example, if you're saying Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Saib believes something, you will only present one reference in each and not 10 references at once and then expect me to answer them all in my limited time. Each turn you will present
Accept
one
it.
reference. Okay.
Accept it.
Number two, anything Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Saib has written, if I show opposite from his own books, you have to live do Toban. This is a condition.
Okay, wait it now. This is very good point. Okay, if I let's pause. If you prove, hypothetically speaking, okay, that his belief is that Isa alayhi salam did not use to drink alcohol. If you prove this, hypothetically speaking, okay, and I also prove this that he did believe that Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol, what will then happen?
This is the point. This
Yes.
is what Ilzami Jawab, which
Nah,
you
nah,
haven't understood for the last
Razi,
8 months.
Habibi, it will prove contradictions of
No,
Mirza Ghulam Qadiani.
Ilzami Jawab is in contradiction. I can show you.
No problem. If it
Yeah,
is proven with conclusive evidence that
yeah.
this is not Ilzami Jawab, so then
Then you would win the debate, obviously.
good. So we have
And if
agreed on the
and if
conditions.
if I show you from Hazrat Ahmad Hassan's own works any statement which says otherwise to the Ilzami Jawab, you have to do live Toba.
Good point.
Will
I
you
will
do
prove.
live Toba?
Good point. Good
Each
point.
reference, on each reference.
Listen. We have agreed that I will say Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Sahib. I will say no problem. I will say this for you. No problem. Secondly, you said that I will present one reference at a time. Okay, I agreed that.
Perfect.
And then you said that you just said that that if you prove, I am telling you the reference I will present, I will prove with two conditions. Number one, it is not ilzami jawab. Number one. Number two, I will give you conclusive evidence that this is the belief of Mirza Ghulam
Yeah.
Qadiani, not ilzami jawab. Now
Yeah. And
wait
if
wait
I prove
wait
that it is Ilzami Jawab through
Habibi,
his
wait.
other writings,
Habibi, wait.
yeah.
So now we are discussing a very interesting point here. You proved with the conclusive evidence, hypothetically speaking, that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani did not believe this.
Yeah.
Okay. And I also prove conclusively two things. Number one, that this was his belief. Number one. And number two, it was not Ilzami Jawab.
Yeah.
In this situation, what other option do you have except saying that there is a contradiction?
The other option I have is that his muhkam statements in Ruhani Khazain, which I have read, explicitly say that this is a lie of the Jews. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay. I will give you muhkam.
based
Wait,
on
wait,
that,
wait.
I said this is
I will give you the reference which is not ilzami jawab number one, Number two, which is muhkam. Number two. Number three, that reference will prove that it is belief. I
Yeah.
will I will prove with the
So
three
when I
conditions.
show you the references where he explains that it's a lie, that's enough for me to know it's not his belief.
No, Razi, look, please be fair. If
Brother,
I have
this
proof on
topic
number
we're debating in June.
good,
Okay, done. We'll
good,
have a Sharaite
good,
session and
good.
let's discuss it there. I'm
We
going
pretty much
to.
agreed. Razi, Sharait are pretty much done. Okay. I will give the reference number one, which will not be Ilzami Jawab. Number one, I will prove that. Number two, I will prove it is Muhkam. Okay, which is it is giving the dalala on the madlul. Okay. And number three, I will prove that this is the belief of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani.
And
Now,
I
if
will.
I prove something with these three conditions and you still keep presenting some opposite to that, what does that mean?
That would mean that you have misunderstood Ilzami. That's what it.
I said that it will not be Ilzami
That would
Jawab.
be your mistake then. That would be your mistake. I wouldn't agree with you because I have so many
That's
explicit
exactly what I'm
references.
saying. I'm saying that these
Let the audience decide. Why do you
good
want,
point.
right?
That
None.
good. It mean that when I will present something and you will present something, audience will
Yeah.
decide. It's
But
not that you so
but if you are shown with the
yeah
explicit proof that
yeah.
Hazrat Muhammad is denying it, do you accept, one second, do you accept that in some of his writings he has denied the prostitute narrative?
You complete my point.
One question. Do you accept that in some of the books of Hazrat Muhammad he says this is a lie and it's not true? And do you accept that in some of his books he proves that Isa did not drink and was a follower of Musa Sharia? Two questions for you.
Good
You
question.
can say there's contradiction. You can say there's contradiction.
No, let me respond now. Let me respond now. On every single thing, you can find contradictory statements of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. So be the case here as well.
I'm
But while
asking you, is it the case or not? Answer the
I am telling
question.
you, I am telling you now,
Is there contradiction on this?
and I complete my point, Razi.
Yeah.
Okay. The first thing I said is on every single thing, there are contradictory
I don't
statements of
care
Mirza
about
Ghulam.
your allegations on that. I'm asking you about this. Answer the question, brother.
I am answering right now. Let me
On
speak,
this
Razi.
topic.
I'm coming on this topic. Let me build my case. Okay. So on every single thing, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has given contradictory statements. Number one, that is the feature of his writing. Now, on this case, the reference I will present, it will have three qualities. Number one, it will not be Ilzami Jawab. Number one. Number two, it will be pointing and proving the madlul, Katyud Dalala.
Yeah.
Number two.
Yeah.
Okay. And number three, it will prove that it is the belief of Mirza Ghulam
Okay.
Qadiani himself. Now,
Okay.
wait.
Can you
I will
answer
give
my
you
question
reference.
now?
I will give you reference with these three conditions.
Now, can you answer my question?
I did already.
No, you didn't. I
So what is the
asked you
question?
on this topic. You
Yeah.
said Hazrat Ahmad alayhi has contradicted on everything. Naudzubillah. On this topic, is there
Yeah.
the other view present in his book? Yes or no?
Good question.
Or
Look at,
say you
listen.
don't know.
I tell you right now, when the Muslim ulama, when they cornered Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, he fabricated a lie. He said, I was giving Ilzami Jawab.
That wasn't my question, brother.
Yes.
You can look, Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Christians call him a liar too. This doesn't help you. Is
Yeah.
there the opposite view in Hazrat Ahmad Alaihi books? Yes or no? You can believe in your mind that he did it out of pressure, he did it to please people. You can believe anything. Christians believe Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had the Quran written by people. They can believe anything. You can believe there's a flying unicorn behind you. I don't care what you believe. I'm asking you, is the opposing view in the books of Hazrat Ahmad Alaihi? Yes or no? Answer with yes or no. This is your last email. I don't need a summary. I don't need a takreer. I'm not here to listen to khutbah. My last question to you is there the opposing view in Hazur Alaihi's books? You can say it contradicts on everything. Christians say the same thing about Rasulullah. Is the other view in his book? Yes or no?
You asked me a question in 2 minutes.
Yes or no?
I will respond as I like. Let me respond now.
Brother,
Let
look,
me
this
respond
is
now.
unfortunate.
Razi, wait.
That's what
Razi,
people are watching. They
people
want
love
to
this
answer.
watching. Let me respond now. Okay, let me respond now. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, believes that Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol
You're not
and he.
answering my question.
I am
You
asking now.
ask you or other
Let me
references
complete,
in his
Razi.
books, yes or
This will be
no?
your answer. This will be the
Okay,
answer, inshallah.
go.
Believe me. Now, he believes that Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol and Isa alayhi salam used to be with a prostitute in an
Na'udhu
inappropriate way.
La'natullahi
Now,
alal kadhib.
Ameen Ya Rab.
Yeah.
Ameen Ya Rab. Till Yawmul Qiyamah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ameen.
Now, point number one. To prove my point, I will give those references which are number one, not ilzami jawab. Number two, they are muhkam in their establishment of the point. And number three, they will prove that it is the belief of Mirza
Okay,
Ghulam Qadiani.
Jazakallah.
Now,
Now, can you answer my question? Yes or no?
yes, yes, yes. Now, once this thing has been proven, your question is irrelevant.
Okay, Jazakallah, Imtiaz said for joining.
Thank you
Jazakallah.
very
So
much.
we will have this debate. You didn't answer the question,
I
okay?
did
And it's
in
really
June.
sad. I'm so
In June.
nice to you. I answer everything
You
you
are.
asked. You didn't
I'm not
answer a
denying
single
your
question.
niceness.
It's fine. Jazakallah. Jazakallah for coming, Imtiaz said.
Razi,
Anything I said,
one comment on your behavior. One comment on your behavior. Okay, Razi, you are the one when debating with Adnan Rashid. You said that in your turn you can quote Cinderella.
yeah, that was, you can quote anything. But this is a
What way?
yes or no
And
question.
when you ask other people, okay, and they are giving you the answer on the very topic, you
Okay.
say, no, 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 give me yes or no answer.
Okay.
I give
That's
you the
the
answer,
answer.
and and
Jazakumullah.
everybody with the intellect can see if this thing is proven, your question was irrelevant.
Okay.
Now, debate in the June, right?
Inshallah. So let me travel, come back, send me an email, okay? And I'm not confirming that I will be this. Is that fine?
No, no, I want to debate you.
You want to debate me? Because I was
Yes.
thinking, because I'm not the best representative in terms of speaking and stuff.
Have some have some trust in your abilities, Razi. You are
No,
good man.
like I'm not a debater. Anyways, I can speak, inshallah. It'll be on my channel and your channel in June.
Yes, in
But
June.
if circumstances change, I'll let you know. I have the material ready, so I don't need to prepare.
That's
Okay.
fine.
So we will set the sharait in writing, then we don't have to meet.
Shraith are done already,
I
Razi.
know, I'm saying we'll write them down. I'll send you them. You can confirm them. We don't need to meet for them. Okay.
Razi, we have discussed Shai for last 20
I know,
minutes.
but it's gonna be in writing as well. I'm
Okay,
not
put them in writing as well. What we
done.
discussed.
Inshallah, in June, we will have the debate on this
Yeah, now the thing of Sharaith is done. You can watch this video. You can write them as well. Number one. Number two. But obviously, as a matter of honesty, you have no right to change what we have agreed already.
of course.
Okay,
I
good.
can
Now we
add
are
right if I forgot something.
sorry.
If I forgot a shirt, I'll add it, then you can decide if you
No,
want it or not.
Razi, this is
I
unfair.
told you here that I didn't come prepared that I'm going to set debate topics here. I didn't come prepared for
Razi,
that.
when
I didn't
this
even know you're coming.
Razi, when you know the books of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani and you are confident that he has not disbelieved this one that I mentioned,
Yeah.
then what else you want to
There's
make
going
sure?
to be conditions. There's
We
always
discussed the
conditions
conditions
in a
already.
debate.
I
No,
accepted all
there's
your
more
conditions.
conditions as well.
I have no conditions.
Okay, that's fine. I'll send you my conditions. You can see if you want to accept.
Send me the
Debate
conditions
will
which we have
happen,
agreed here. Which we have
inshallah.
agreed here. Okay, and
Jazakumullah,
this debate will be by default. We have agreed it will be in June. If
inshallah.
you want to change it from the June, we'll discuss. Inshallah, I'll come on your stream. Inshallah, in the future, if you want to change, send me a message on something. Okay, I will come. I will come. Inshallah, we'll discuss the date again. But for now, June.
Inshallah. Jazakumullah. And if actually you didn't, okay, you answered the question of yes or no, I'll let public decide. I wanted a direct yes or no for that, but that's your own choice. You can answer however you like. So Jazakumullah. But one request to you, brothers, in your own streams, don't say Ahmadi Muslims are scared of, because then we're here, brother. Like, I accepted your debate challenge right away. Wallahi, I'm not scared of any Muslim scholar in the world.
Good. That's it.
Okay.
Let's leave it there.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much.
Jazakumullah for coming.